Alright, here is our first test. Order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sal. I must do what's inside the parentheses first. So there's nothing inside the parentheses, nothing inside. So then I go to exponent. So negative 3 squared is negative 3 times negative 3, which is positive 9. So, and I also looked at this, negative times a negative makes that a positive. Then I have to go to multiplication and division. So I have to multiply these. That's 18. Plus 3 minus 3 is just plain old 18. There's no exponent, there's no parentheses. I must go to multiplication and division. So that's how I got the 15 here and the 6 here. And then addition, subtraction. 9 minus 15 is negative 6. Plus 6 minus 6 would just be in plain old negative 6. To find the area, it's just what's inside. If this is a y squared, then this side is a y and this side is a y. So this guy is called a y and a y and a y since it's 1 times y. And this is a y squared, so I have 2x squareds, 2y squareds, and 3 y's. Should be super simple on the area. On the perimeter, though, you have to find each side length. If this is an x squared, then that's x and x. This is an x and an x and an x. That's a y squared, then this is a y and this is a y. And I just worked my way around. This is the part that got not a lot of you, which is good. Y minus x is this. Most of you rushing through things and missed it just by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the way around. Take off 1, so that's 4x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 y's. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Make a guess and check table. So I'm looking to see if you know what I'm talking about on the guess and check table. And don't forget to answer the question. The area of a rectangle, I told everybody this is going to be on test. You got to know base times height, length times width is going to be this guy. The length is 6 feet longer. So I found my base and I added 6 to it and I got 16. Find the area, that's base times height. That was too small. I guess bigger. Added 6 to it. 17. Most of you got that one right. I was pretty happy about that. X squared minus 2x plus 4, and I got that by going all my x squareds, I combined those like terms, got my x squared. All the x's you combine together get negative 2x, and all your constants, all the ones by themselves, I got 4. Just combine the like terms. Should not have been hard. This is, did you make the effort and study? And go base times height divided by 2. That's all it is. This one you had to think a little bit. You had to break it up. I broke it up this way. Some of you drew it across, and some of you made a big one and subtracted it out. This side is 10 because the whole thing was 30, and this part was 20. So if the whole thing's 30, this part is 20, then what's left has got to be 10. So that's why this one's 10. So 10 times 1, 10 times 18 is 180. So that's the area of this part. And then the area of this little guy, since the whole thing is 18, take away that 10, it leaves 8 here, 8. So that's why it's 8 times 20 is the area of this part. Add them together, and there it is. All right. Stop.